Yes. Then you connect the RJ59 to the DVR channel, which is the video in.
Which RJ59?
The camera one.
Okay.
From the camera to the DVR.
Okay.
You put it in one of the channels.
Alright, so this is the
video in channels, yes.
Alright.
Then you lock it.
Locked.
Then you connect the camera power to the power supply unit, which I think it's already done.
Yeah, it's connected.
Okay. From here, you connect your monitor cable.
You connect our monitor cable. So this is the VGA.
Okay.
We connect to the monitor.
So the VGA from the monitor from the DVR to the monitor.
Okay, from the DVR. So this is the DVR.
Connect from the DVR to the monitor, the same cable to the monitor.
It works. Is it difficult?
Oh, it's normal.
It's normal. Normal. Yeah. Yeah.
So it means the procedure I used, they are all correct. With
Oh,
the
yeah.
exception that we didn't put the power supply unit on.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.